Hey everybody, welcome to another tutorial. I'm going to show you today how I created this icy snowflake design with these thin French tips. The polish that I'm featuring is one of my winter picks for this winter, and it's this Morgan Taylor wrapped in satin from their new Forever Fabulous Marilyn Monroe collection. It's very beautiful, icy, sparkly blue. I'm also using Essie Blanc right here. As you can see, my bottle is a little bit low, and so it's a little bit thick in this video, but I worked with it the best that I could. Let's get into the tutorial. I have 2 coats of wrapped in satin on all my nails, and I have done the French tips on the other nails. I'm just going to show you how I did that. Since my polish is a little bit thick, I had to put quite a bit on the brush here. So if your bottle's newer and thinner, it's not going to be this gloopy, but I'm just doing what I could to work with this polish. So you're going to start with the little glob. Yours probably won't be as thick as mine, and I'm going to paint that on very carefully, as thin as you can do it. I like these really thin French tips. I think they're so cool, and I love implementing them in nail designs. And just make sure you get the corners covered, and then I'm going to come in with a brush and some acetone and just clean in the parts that were messy. I know it's messy, but that's just how it is when my bottle is a little bit thick. I need to go buy a new one now. Okay, and when that's cleaned up, I'm going to come in with my Winstonia brush. I will have a link to all the products that I use down below, and I'm just going to do this little half moon here, and I'm going to do a design that looks like a sun. So I'm going to put 3 stripes out from that design. When you're doing a design like this, you want to remember to just keep everything really small because you want to make it look like it's in the corner. You don't want to get too big. So I'm going to do little angles, so like a little arrow going up at each tip of that. And then I'm going to come in and do these little snowflake flowers. I don't know what to call them. They're like the ends of the snowflake. They look kind of like flower petals, but I'm going to do 3 coming off of the center of each of those. Since my polish is thick, I have to go over it a few times, but you shouldn't have to do that if yours isn't. And then I'm going to have a line coming down from each one of those. And then I'm going to do polka dots in the center of each of these. And you can see it's thick because it's stringing a little bit. And that's the finished look. I want to make sure that it's completely dry. I'm going to let it dry for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to come in with my fast dry top coat. Now I will mention that this polish is a little bit gritty, so I did do a really thick layer of the top coat. And that's a final look. I hope you guys like this design. Give me a thumbs up, as I always say, if you like this, and if you found it helpful. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.